Morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So students, as we have started a new chapter back from the brink, now today we'll be continuing the same chapter and we will learn about it more. So without further ado, let's get started.
Yes students, before starting today's class, first of all, we are going to recapitulate previous class, means whatever we have done yesterday, first of all just recall it. So, in this first of all we read about Purnima Devi Burman. Who is she? She is a conservationist, biologist and activist from Assam. Means she is the lady who only tried to encourage people to save the bird greater adjutant stork. Okay, and this greater adjutant stork, why people dislike that? Because it was ugly. Okay, and even its walking manner, even the sound of this, even the call is not even too good. So many drawbacks were there. Because of this people disliked it, and because of this only it was about to an end. Okay, if we talk about in the 1990s, on the time the estimate put the number of greater adjutant storks at a mere 1,000. Means it was approx come to an end. You can see only this quantity of the species, the numbering of the species was 1,000 only. Then she tried to encourage, who tried? Purnima Devi Burman tried to encourage people. After that these birds again came to an existence. Views of Purnima for stork. Now what are the views according to Purnima? That this bird is not ugly at all. It's a very beautiful one in the world. Okay, why? And even if you talk about the use of the bird, that generally this birds to be the pest, and even it eats the leftover of the people. जो भी बचा हुआ खाना होता था, that this bird supposed to eat. Even this bird gulp down anything. Means whatever the insects are there, whatever these small animals are there, this bird supposed to gulp down. Okay, even including fish, amphibian, reptiles. So because of this only this bird was useful for the people. So this point only Purnima tried to make people understand that this bird is useful for our environment. Okay, and if we talk about the height of this bird, the height is very stunning one, 5 feet, and if it is going to wingspan, if it is going to spread the wings, then it has an 8-foot wingspan. Okay, so I think you have recalled everything from here. Now the villagers routinely cut down the tall trees they nested in. So what happened? Continuously villagers they were cutting down the tall trees wherever they nested in. Who nested in? These stork. Okay, with the nesting trees found almost exclusively on private property, the situation was dire. And why was the people doing? Why were the people doing? Because they wanted to create something for themselves. Like they wanted to make it for the private property. They wanted to build their houses, their buildings, and so on. Okay, because of this the situation was dire. Means the situation was terrible. No one seemed to care that the birds were highly endangered. No one recognized, no one understood that now these birds, they are in highly endangered. Means their life is come to an end. Conservation groups don't care about an ungainly bird, Burman claims. Now Burman means Purnima Devi Burman, that she claims conservation groups don't care. Means conservation, though the people who are creating their buildings, who are creating their houses, they are not caring about this bird. Okay, so for them well-known charismatic animals like rhinos and tigers are the main focus. Means she said that for these people they only take care whom? Charismatic animals. Charismatic means who look pretty, who look beautiful, like rhinos, tigers. So by looking wise, by the appearance, they are too good. So according to her, people are only taking care of these animals, not these kind of birds. Burman firmly felt that the stork needed an ally. Ally, yesterday also I told you, ally means that stork needed a relation, a very good relation it wants. So what happened? So she set out on a one-woman campaign to instill a sense of community pride and ownership in the greater adjutant. Now see student, for awareing someone, we also do a lot of things. Okay, like nowadays COVID is spreading a lot. So what happened? Government is trying to aware people by which? By so many sources, by the newspapers, by the TV channels, radio and so on. Okay, so same as here also, she tried to encourage people by different ways. So what happened? The once she set a one woman campaign, a movement to instill means she tried to change people's mind, a sense of community pride and ownership, according to her, that this greater adjutant, this bird is the pride for us. Why? Because it is only available in our village, in our surrounding. This was the beginning of a grassroots conservation movement which would gain recognition across the world. Means in the beginning she started, after that slowly and gradually people tried to understand, and then in the whole world people able to understood that this bird even is useful for us, and this bird also should alive on the earth. She presented her argument to local villagers. Means whatever the argument means, like according to the people, this bird should not live, should not be alive, but according to her, this bird is very useful. So she argued, I have two daughters. Now she, what a very good example she is giving, she is presenting in front of everyone. If they make my house messy, मेरे पास दो daughters हैं, मेरी दो daughters हैं. If they make my house messy means if they are just spoiling my house completely, should I dislike them? क्या मैं उनको dislike करूँगी? What do I do? What will I do in that case? And why I clean it? I am going to clean because my daughters has spoiled. Why? What is the reason? Because they are my daughters. Okay, because suppose your parent, you are going to do any kind of mess, then what will happen? You are unable to do the clean up your mess. What will happen? Your parents are going to help you. Okay, same she is saying, I am going to clean it. Why? Because they are my daughters. I am their guardian. Guardian means who take care of the younger ones. Okay, so you are the guardian of this stock, same as we people are the guardian of this stock. Okay, and these birds are making you proud, and you should be proud for yourself that these birds are surrounding you. Your name is going to be famous because if you protect the bird, all will salute you. Definitely, if you are going to protect even a single creature in the world, then people will know you. Okay, people will salute you. Same, she is trying to change the mind of the people. So I think you have understood till here. She has given the example by using her daughters. So same as she said that this stock is also kind of our daughters or our younger one. Okay, now see the further one. Villagers learn to love the ugly stock, same as she tried a lot to make people understand. So villagers tried to understand whatever she is saying, it's completely right. To make the villagers aware of the importance of bird and its ecosystem, Burman began a series of efforts. Now see, a lot of things, a lot of campaigns she has done. So what she has done? She took the help of teachers at a local school where most of the tree owners sent their children. Tree owners, definitely, what happened? Tree owners, if you are the owner of the tree, it's up to you that you want to cut the tree or not. So wherever she helped she took the help of the teacher of a local school, wherever the tree owners, the tree के owner थे, मालिक थे, send their children, अपने बच्चों को वहाँ भेजते थे. On World Wetlands Day, the children went home chanting their praises for the Hargila, urging protection of nesting trees and also handing out free coffee mugs featuring photos of the bird. And so what happened there on World Wetland Day? The day they are going to celebrate there. So there the children, they started to sing the song for the Hargila. Hargila, that is this bird is supposed to call Hargila in that particular area. So for the protection of the trees, like we are not supposed to cut the trees where these birds supposed to live. And even after that, they were giving free coffee mugs. In that, these birds' pictures were made. Okay. So by this, people were even encouraging by this that if a student can save the environment, then why can't we, the elder people? Okay. So Burman started attending weekly women's ritual at a local temple. As we know, in the local temple, so many ladies supposed to come. Okay. So she even started to attend weekly rituals, and she eventually got permission to present her Hargila slideshow presentation there. Even she showed a sort of picture. She got the permission. After that, she showed presentation there in which Hargila pictures were there. And even she encouraged women also that why should we save this bird. She organized cooking contest for the women and showed her slideshow. Means whatever she could do to collection the groups, that she did. She arranged the cooking show, and then there also she showed her slides. The women were proud to learn that this very rare bird had chosen to breed only in their local villages. Definitely, suppose if you have only a thing in the whole world, so what will happen? You have to be proud for that. Same as now the people are going to change their mind that we have a bird, it is very rarest one. Okay, means this kind of bird no one has, but we have. So changing the way people pray. Now she started to change the way. Burman knew attitude had changed when she began getting calls from villagers whenever greater adjutants fell from their nest, something which the bird do with alarming regularity, especially in the monsoons. So what happened in the monsoon time, whenever these birds, sometime they supposed to fell down, जब वो कभी कभी अपने नेस्ट से गिर जाते थे, on the time they called to Purnima. Why? So that she could sort out the problem and she could save the particular bird. By this she came to know now people are going to change their mind. Okay. So I think till here you have understood. Remaining we will continue further. Fine. Now student, this is your classwork. In this, reference to the context, you have to write down first of all parts of speech, difficult words and meaning. The first one, adjectives, meaning stunning, word stunning, meaning impressive. All these actually we have done. Okay. So this is scraggly, word is adjective, scraggly word. This is adjective and the meaning is rough and unpolished. Next one, noun, gait, a manner of walking. Adjective, endangered, in danger of extinction. Adverb, profoundly, very deeply. Adjective, despicable, deserving, hated. So I hope you can do this. And sentence making, same as all the word that we have done in the RTC, all the words even I have used. Okay. Like stunning, that woman is stunning, means very impressive. Scraggly, there were some scraggly bushes. Scraggly means very rough, unpolished. Gait, he walked with an awkward gait like a penguin. Gait means a manner of walking. Endangered, mountain gorillas are an endangered species. Profoundly, he thought and wrote profoundly. Profoundly means very deeply. Despicable, the fail was considered despicable, means suppose you are fail in one of the cases. So what happened? People means you deserve hated. People are going to hate you. So that is despicable. Now this is your homework. In this you have to write down complete the sentence. Half sentence I have given, half you have to find out from the book itself. Burman often saw adjutant. You are the guardian of this talk. People come to worship. Your duty is to dash. So I hope you can do this. Thank you.